back to my channel, and today's video of course is on this makeup look right here. Yes, I am being bold and using some different colors. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, my hair is wild because I washed it last night and I just fell asleep and let it dry like this. This is what happens, so don't judge me. So the first thing I'm going to start with are my eyes. Of course, I always do. If I'm not doing no eyeshadow, then I'll just do everything else. But if I'm doing my eyeshadow, I do that first because of the fallout. I don't want it to go on, like if I apply foundation, concealer, or whatnot, I don't want it to fall on anything. I feel like eyeshadow, you have to put a bit more effort into it, you know, a lot of blending back and forth. So depending on the eye look, but yeah. Let's just get into this. I think I'm gonna do a bold look today because the last time I did something simple and now I'm just like, Sam, let's get a little bit out there, do something a little bit different. But I don't know yet. Let's see. The two palettes that I will be using. This one is an Oldie But Goodie, the Jaclyn Hill palette. And then I received this in my BoxyCharm, but I have not used it. This is the Hello Charmers BoxyCharm. This right here. I'm going to prime my lids with Tarte Shape Tape concealer. If you do not have any primer and you need a concealer, I feel like this is really good. It gives you a nice base to apply your eyeshadow, and this is medium to full coverage, so if you have any discoloration like I do, you will not see it. See the difference? Hopefully you can see it. It's not so bright. The only thing is that it dries quickly, so you have to really blend it out quick. Other than that, we're good. I will be using the RCMA No Color Powder to set my eyes just a little bit. I'm not even going to lie, when I do my eyeshadow, I do get a little nervous because it's like so much work, and it's like, is it actually going to look good? You know, in your head, when you picture it in your head, it looks awesome, but then when you start doing it, you're like, what is this? And it's like halfway through you want to just stop, but you keep on pushing yourself, like, go ahead, you got this. I always like to start off with a light eyeshadow. I'm gonna dip in to this shadow and I'm going to apply this in my crease. This eyeshadow, I like it. I don't know if you can see. No, I don't think you can see, but it has a lot of fallout. And when I was going back and forth blending the eyeshadow, I did tap off on the palette. Even going back and forth, you saw powder. And I'm just like, is it going in my hair? I don't know. It's something simple to look at, but at the end of the day, the shadow that I used did blend out really good. You just have to pack on. And I'm going to dip into this shadow right here and apply it in the crease as well. Also, I'm bringing it down to the outer corner to my lash line. With the first shadow, I didn't go all the way into the inner corner. I left my inner corner bare. With the second shadow I'm using now, I'm not going at exactly where I applied the first shadow at, so I'm like stopping a little before that. This shadow is nice, but it's not as pigmented as I would like it to be. Even when I keep on applying, I feel like me packing it on, it's not even that pigmented as it should be. I'm gonna jump into this shadow right here. Ooh, I just went in this shadow right here. I'm gonna go in to this shadow right here, and this shadow I'm going to use it just like the dark, like the brown I did, apply it in my crease, but I'm not going all the way with it, and down to my upper lash line. And you see how it looked like we had a scare with the shadow, like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? It's okay, you can always fix it. I'm gonna take this brush right here that has no shadow on it and just blend right here. I'm going to take this angle brush right here and I'm gonna get a little spicy. I'm gonna dip into this shadow right here, this purple shadow. I want to try something new, and I'm going to apply this on my my lash line right here. I'm going to take this more into my inner corner. See, I'm being a little bit more precise when going to the inner corner, but when it's on the outer corner, I am buffing it out. I don't know if you can see this, but can you see all the fallout? This is why I do my eyes first, because you never know how the eyeshadow is gonna react. If you're gonna have a lot of fallout, if you have no fallout. Okay, I'm going back in with this brush right here to buff out the edges. I think it looks nice. It's different. I mean, it's different for me. You know, people be doing this like it's nothing. So this is how it looks. I actually like it. I was nervous doing this because I'm like, oh my god, I don't know if this will look right, but I actually like it. So I might go back into my lower lash line and like buff out some shadow there so it can look smoky and all that. But let's see, I want to go to my face. I want to start my face now. I'm going to apply a little bit of moisturizer. I say a little bit, then I apply a lot. Right now, I'll be going in with the MAC Strobe Cream. I'm just going to apply a little bit since this moisturizer, it gives it a nice glow, but I just want to apply a little bit more. I'm going to do something that I usually don't do. The only reason why I want to use this product is because, one, I haven't used it, and then two, it says it's hydrating. It's the Tarte Quenched Hydrating Primer. Ooh, it smells good. Concealer time. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer. I love this concealer because it's just lightweight, but it does your job. Since I am going to use a powder bronzer, I have to set at least right here just a little bit because I don't want it to look patchy, anything like that. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Now let's go into my Mineral Glow bronzing powder from Pure. For blush, I'm going to be using Gigi Gorgeous. This is the only blush, Pride. I'm gonna apply a little bit of my concealer on my nose, just a tiny bit on the bridge of my nose. I have not used this product in so long, and I was like, oh my god, let me use this. I still love this. This is from Bare Minerals, the Invisible Light. The one I'm going to use is this part right here, the Glow. I'm going to use a Park Avenue Princess from Tarte. It's the face palette. That's why I call it the face palette. I'm gonna dip in to this one right here to set the bridge of my nose. Of course, I'm using my finger like always. I'm gonna dip into this one right here, and I'm gonna contour my nose just a little bit. I'm just applying some of the highlight. I have to do my lower lash line. Okay, gonna do it. So I'm gonna take this right here, this brush, and I'm gonna dip in to this shadow right here. I'm gonna use the same shadow I used on top, but I don't think I'm using the purple. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. It says waterproof and long lasting. Going in with some mascara. I'm going to use a superhero mascara from It. It is freaking, if it's getting dark, it's because it's really pouring right now. Like, wow, this is crazy. It's so dark. Let's turn the light on. With this look, you can apply some falsies, but I'm just leaving mascara and that's it because, you know, I don't want to go through all that. I do have to go to my cousin Demi so she can do a lash lift because my lashes would have been extra popping with her lash lift. I'm gonna dip into this one right here, and I'll apply this in my inner corner. So that's all beautiful and everything, right? But I wanna jazz it up a little bit, spice it up. I can't. I'm gonna get this box out. It's so big. That's what she said. I'm gonna dip in to this. This is loose pigment from ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. Apply it in my inner corner. You don't have to apply this aqua teal color in your inner corners. You could just apply just a little bit of highlight, but I wanted to pop today, you know, so I mixed it up. Let's apply some Fix Plus on my face. Setting spray, that's what I'm talking about. So I'll be using the Dose of Colors lipsticks. This was collabed with Desi and Katie. I'm gonna use Aftermath and then Hey Girl. So this is the end result and I am freaking loving it. Like, do you see this? Like, from the highlights to the colors, you wouldn't think these shadows, these colors go together, but they really look good. Yeah, I was a little nervous about it, you know, but I like it. So I hope this inspires you to play with colors and just have some fun with it. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and if you have any questions, comment below, or you can just comment me on my social media. If you don't have that, that's in the description box. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. You hear the birds? Oh, and I just cracked my neck. It is raining. Yeah, it's raining. You hear that?